Hey guys, welcome back to the Red Room with me, Sarah Ferrugia. I decided to take advantage of this sunny day, do a quick little golden hour tutorial for you guys. So first off, we're gonna set the mood with this chill ass song. I'm just gonna be taking my Becca Blacklight Primer and I'm just gonna be applying that all over my face to give an overall glow. Taking this sampler of the Dermablend Illuminating Drops, I'm just gonna be applying that to the high points of my face. Next up, I'm going to be taking my Fit Me Maybelline Concealer in the shade 35, and I'm just going to be applying that to the blemishes on my face. For this look, I actually didn't want to use foundation because I wanted to have more of a glowy look, so I'll be taking my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Natural Beige. And going round 3 for the concealer, I'll be taking my NARS Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard. Taking my Laura Mercier Translucent Powder, I'm going to be baking in the oven under them eyes. And then I'm just going to be dusting the Fit Me Maybelline Loose Powder all over my face in the shade Medium. And now we're going to get bronzed up with the Hoola Bronzer from Benefit. And taking a shading brush, I'm just going to be popping in glistening all over my lid. Then I'm just going to be popping the shade Sienna into the outer corner of my eye and blending it into the crease. Taking a little pencil brush, or you can use your pinky as well, I'm just going to be popping Fairy into my tear duct. Just keeping it super natural for the brows today, so I'll just be taking my NYX Sculpt and Highlight Pencil in the shade Ash Brown. Taking my new sampler from the Beautycon bag, I'm just going to be using the Hourglass Caution Mascara. In the BH Cosmetics Highlight Palette, I will be taking Radiance and Glow and mixing them together. For the lippies, I will be taking my Bobbi Brown lip gloss in the shade Pastel. And I'm going to be setting that with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end of the tutorial. I really hope you liked it. I wanted to do something different. When I looked up golden hour tutorial, I think 3 came up, unless I was looking in the wrong place. But it really inspired me to do something different. So I hope you guys like this. Please give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you watched my last video, I'm actually currently doing a giveaway from Beautycon. You can find the giveaway on my Instagram at The Red Room, so go ahead and enter that. I'll see you guys next time in the Red Room or the library.